Percentages can be used to help order numbers or to compare two numbers together, especially if they involve fractions and decimals. Let's have a look at an example. I'm going to arrange these three numbers in descending order. Now, descending order means from largest to smallest. The opposite of descending is ascending. So at the moment, just looking at these three numbers there, 8 on 13, 62%, and 0.621, we really have no idea which one is the largest of the three numbers there. Now, 0.621, that can be converted into a percentage very easily. So let's do that first. Okay, if you multiply that by 100, okay, we get 62.1%. But what about 8 on 13? Okay, we're going to multiply that by 100 and we need to add the percentage symbol. So we're going to use a calculator for this one just to save a bit of time. Okay, 8 on 13. Okay, we're going to multiply that by 100. Press the SD button at 61.538%. Okay, so I've just kept it there to 3 decimal places. So 62.1%, 61.538%, and 62%. So of these three percentages, okay, that one, this one, and this one, which one is the greatest? Okay, we have 62.1%, then 62%, and then 61.538%. But we need to write the answer in terms of the original numbers, okay, not in the converted percentages. So 62.1% corresponds to 0.621. Okay. 62%, well, that just stays as 62% because that was the form of the original number. Okay. And 61.538% corresponds to the 8 on 13. And there we are. These three numbers arranged in descending order from largest to smallest. Now we'll look at just one last example. Okay, and just quickly, which fraction is larger, 11 on 23 or 17 on 37? Now again, immediately we can't tell straight off just looking at those fractions easily which one is the larger fraction. But if we convert them into percentages first, it makes the comparison a lot easier. Okay, so again, that's one of the uses of percentages, is just to help make that comparison a lot easier. So let's have a look at both of those fractions. So 11 on 23, if you multiply that by 100, and we'll just round it to maybe 2 decimal places. Okay, so 11 on 23, multiply that by 100, press the SD button, and we get 47.8, actually we'll use 3 decimal places, 47.826%. Okay. What about 17 on 37? Okay. So 17 on 37, multiply that by 100, press the SD button, we get 45.946. Okay. So which fraction then is the larger fraction? The one that corresponds to the larger percentage. So the larger fraction is 11 on 23, and we could write it using either the greater than or less than sign. We could say 11 on 23 is greater than 17 on 37.